name's Barry Turnbull. I'm 40-year-old now. I'm from County Durham. Well, I've had quite a few jobs in the past. Worked a lot of factory works. Worked at a motorbike shop for a few years. Be a milkman. I was a milkman for 12 years. The flying milkman. Just do phone repairs now, and then just obviously just ride the bike when I can and enjoy it. Just not professional. I don't get paid for riding, but I just go out there and enjoy it, and I love it. Love it. It was my dad and my uncle Steve and my uncle Trevor. They all had motorbikes, so as you do, you want to one. So we got a little P-Way50 in 1987. Went over the old quarry and it went from there. We started getting into racing. We stopped for 3 years. I made a comeback in 1996, and then been back since. 2 strokes all the way through. The only time I went on a 4-stroke was 2000. I'd done the 426 series, the Thumper Cross, and then went back over onto 2-stroke. And I've always liked this. It's my favourite track, Hawkstone Park, since I was a kid. I used to always watch Dave Thorpe here, Eric Barrs, the rest of them all, the Kurt Nicholls. It's sort of like, it's like a legendary track, and I've always liked to race it. So every time I get the chance to race here, I'm here. The atmosphere of the old school bikes, it's like going back to the early 90s, and everybody helps you out. If you need anything, people will help you out. They'll bend over backwards to give you a helping hand. So yeah, it's good. It is what it is, and does the business still, even though it's like 32-year-old that bike now. A lot of people come to watch the 500. I put a few status on Facebook, and a lot of people, oh yeah, we cannot wait to see it going. So it gets people hyped up for it. People air horns and cheering you. They always cheer you on. So it's a good buzz. You get that adrenaline all the way throughout the race. So it's good. Biggest race of the year. Everyone's trying the hardest to do the very best to get the good position and sort of put it out there to be number one, don't they? So we've got some good riders here today. So we'll see how we get on. Honestly, it doesn't bother me if I mean, a few years back I had Hurlins to the left of us, Max Dancy to the right of us, and it was great. Honestly, it was great. It's like, I mean, them were looking at the bike and they were like thumbs up, wow, brilliant that. And in practice, I go out, do a steady lap, get a bit quicker on the second lap, and then by the third lap, I just sort of work out my lines for the qualifying. Then I'll pull in, have a little shake the hands off, and get a drink, and then we'll go out and I normally do 2 laps.
You can get your tickets if we take back down on
The ruts are that deep, it's just constantly going to be on. Qualified 27th in this year's international, so I'm happy with that. The 89, I bought this 89 maybe 6 years back now, So I've had that for 6 years, and each year it gets a quick freshen up, and she's looking well. Just jump on it and do the business really. Just make sure everything's all prepped and ready to go just beforehand. So it's peace of mind when you know everything's fresh. Yeah, I've got spare bikes, but I thought we've prepped that one well, so just brought the one along today. My dad's helping out with mechanics today, so keeping us right, keeping the bike right as well. Basically standard with all in shock. We've fabbed up the white power front end. Apart from that, we've changed the seat to a high end seat. So the old one used to dip, and it used to feel like you're crouched over. So we've changed that, so it's sort of feels like a modern bike now. So yeah, it feels good. Barrel's tuned. We've got a tuned barrel in it there, and not that you need any more power, but we've tuned it anyway, and Boysenrad valve on it just to give it a bit more crispness. But yeah, it's as sweet as you can get a 500. They are what they are. They're a man-handling bike. I'm going to try whole shot. Yeah, go. I'm going to give it me all to get the whole shot. See how we get on, and then in the race, if I can come top 30, I'll be happy.
starts, and that's a big positive. To be honest, I'm really happy with the super final and to finish on a high like that. So.
The last 4 laps there, I just started struggling, so I just thought just keep plodding on, just keep going, get it finished. Today it's been very demanding, really rough. The takeoffs and all the jumps were really sketchy, so you had to look well ahead and just go for it. Really, it was hard work, but we came home. I'm going home with no injuries, so happy days. There's a couple of battles between me and James in the first race. James kept crashing, so we were having a bit of a battle here and there, so it was good. That was the plan, to get a pole shot for the first race, but one of the riders came across us and stopped us, so I had to literally come to a stop, and I was dead last. So my plan went out the window. Crowd was really good this year, with the cheering nearly every corner. They were giving us a cheering on, so it was good. Nice to get a bit of encouragement. It gives you a bit of a buzz around the track as well, so all good. Up there with all the top riders, it's a pleasure to be with them all, so it's good to be with them. I was hoping for top 25, so I'm getting where I wanted to. I wanted to be top 30, and I thought, well, I'll push for a top 25. And race 1 got a bad start and ended up finishing 24th. And then the last race that just gone there, same again, bad start, finished 25th, so I'm happy with that. I got lap demos on new bikes, and all the team riders I just do it for the fun of it, so I'm out there to enjoy it. Second race, there's 3 of us got crammed up on the first corner. I went left, James came into us, hit me gear lever, and it stopped me, snapped my gear lever off, so I was stuck in second or third gear there. So it was hard work, but managed to just on and off the clutch, so I've got a bit of arm pump there now. But I didn't want to pull off. I was thinking, shall I pull off? But I thought, no, just plod on, just keep plodding, and enjoyed it. So this is what happens in the last race. Went to go to do the whole shot. Sterry pulled over to the left side of us, soaked us from head to toe. I just like the atmosphere. Like, everyone likes to come and listen to the 500, so it's the only bike that comes to here to be. There's only one 500 of the year, so I think everyone gets behind us and cheers us on, and it's good. It's a good feeling. I feel like a celebrity.